traders, US500. We're going to look at this from a price action and a historical perspective. What I get when I look at this chart through here is big money is heavily invested short, right? This range builds a ton of liquidity, especially above the range here. This move down to the downside here, below the range, entices more sellers setting up stops, and then we get this move that spikes above the range, hitting the liquidity sitting up in here, and that then gives smart money the liquidity they need to pair their orders. It's short, it sells. But given the significance of this price movement, I don't think this is a target. I think this is the target. It makes sense to me. Okay, so big money is invested short here. They work the market, and this move here, in my opinion, is just giving them another opportunity to pair their orders short. Why? Well, when this sell happens here, traders place their stop losses above. So this trades down, entices people into the market buying, but more importantly, it gets priced back through these stops and they get taken out. So we've had a stop hunt up in here, and I believe this is another stop hunt through here. All right, we've got a potential rate cut coming up, and it's a perfect environment to set up retail to jump in on the rumor and buy. This gets priced in. Okay, we've got the rate cut. Fed is going to be announcing that shortly. So this is getting priced in, trading into a huge resistance level. It's overextended, guys. Everything about this chart is telling me that this is going to tank. That's my opinion on that. Now, big money target, in my opinion, would be, what do we got? Okay, this low would be a target. And I mean, if it really tanks, well, you've got the lows that are sitting under here as well. It just depends how far this moves. So I'm looking for a short opportunity. Now that's price action, and we'll come back to this because I want to explain a couple of things, how to get involved, because you've got a situation where they could attack the stops that are sitting up above here before it tanks. So just be careful. Let's just have a look at this from a seasonality point of view. So where are we? Mid-September. We'll just go back in time. 2023, you want to take it back 5 or 6 years and get an average, find out, was it mainly short? Was it half? Did it spike bullish, or did it? What's the story? 2023, big sell-off, significant sell-off. Okay, 2022, go to significant sell-off. All right, 2021. So from a seasonality aspect, the last 3 years, going back to 2021, big sell, short. Okay, the S&P 500, 2020. Sold off. I really do believe in seasonality. You often find that the markets react in a similar fashion around the same time. Whoops, what have I done? Okay, sell off. That's okay. So the idea has been definitely supported so far. Okay, big sell mid-September. Go back. I mean, you could do this yourself, but let's just go back to 2018. So we've had 100% sell-off mid-September, going back to 2018 every year. That's fairly significant in my opinion, and I'm thinking that we're going to see more of the same. So how do we get involved with this? My bias is short, and again, you want to be a little bit careful. So we've got liquidity above here. We've got buy stops that are sitting above this range that are a potential target for big money to take this up and raid that liquidity prior to, they need liquidity to be able to pair their orders, right? So we've got, well, I mean, they're already tapping into the stops that are sitting all through here. They've taken that out. So now we have this range here. 4-hour time frame. I'd be keeping an eye on this. Watch how this trades, right? So we've got that. And understand that this level through here above this range is a target, and this level up in here is also a target. I'm talking the liquidity that they're generating above this is a lot of traders would be short here. So we're getting a build up of stop losses sitting up in here. So that's a target. Now, I would be waiting for however this plays out. Let's just say we get a bit of a spike up and into here. Who knows? I mean, this could happen anywhere, but the thing to look out for would be however it plays out on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe we get a bit of a move up, but it's at some stage it's going to rotate, and we're going to see lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we get a break of market structure. So just keep an eye on wherever this break of structure bearish. Okay, at the moment, higher highs, higher lows, and then we wait for the opposite, right? And possibly it ranges wherever it finds the ceiling. I mean, it could be here. It could just spike up in here and roll over, or it could travel up a little higher, right? But wherever it rotates, look for the break and retest and lower highs and lower lows to kick in, and then that's your opportunity to get involved. Now, from there, you've got these targets here. You've got this bullish imbalance through here. That's a target. You have, well, I mean, the lows under here are a target, right? So, you could look to take partial profits if you want, or close your trade and re-enter on a retrace, something like that. There's some potential targets, and I would even go further and possibly, you've got these levels down in here as well. And then ultimately, I mean, how far is this going to go? We don't know. But I think this does give us some downside, an opportunity to short it. I mean, you could pull your stop loss to break even and trail it and just see. But, if big money invested in here, have a look at this range, right? This, in my opinion, is insignificant. This is significant. And then I'm thinking, for them to really capitalize on the investment that they've made here and in here, right, pairing their orders short, that's what's going on, then I'm thinking that, there's a target, and possibly, have a look at this previous range, go down to the low here, right, and I'm talking this entire range from here to here. There's a possibility that it looks to hit these levels. Possibility. I don't want to get too carried away, but guys, look, that's my take on the SPX, that's US500. I think the rest will follow. Tech stocks, US30. But just wait for the setup. Wait for this to rotate and give you an invite in, and then we short it. And there's some targets. Stop loss after this rotates would go above the high, but just expect this to spike up first, and then roll over possibly. That's it, guys. That's my take. I would love to hear your comments, so definitely leave a comment below, and I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.